So hello everyone, welcome back to the course of developing machine learning systems. Right now we are in the Python module, and in the last video we discussed how we can install Python using Anaconda installer. In most of the systems like Mac, Windows and even Linux systems, we have GUI, graphical user interface. So it was easy to install Anaconda, but sometimes we need to install Anaconda on virtual machines. In virtual machines, we don't have GUI, we only have access to the terminal. So how we can install Anaconda in a virtual machine or in a machine where we don't have GUI access? Let's see that. So the first step is to open the web browser and go to the same link, this one. So right now I'm on the same web page, as you can see, and most of the machines that are virtual machines are mostly Linux based virtual machines. So I'll click on Linux, it will scroll down and I'm gonna select the URL of the first installer in Linux section. So I'm gonna copy and click on copy link address. So right now I have copied the link of installer file. Next is you need to log into your virtual machine. So the step number 2 is log into your virtual machine. So I have already logged into my virtual machine, as you can see over here. That second step is to, third step is to download this particular installer using that link into your virtual machine. So let's do that. In order to download, you need to run a command called wget. So you write wget and after that just paste the URL link which you have. So I'm going to paste my link and press enter. So you will see it will start downloading the file and it's very much clear, like currently you can see the file is already downloaded. The next step is to make this file executable. So this is a shell script which is an installer also. Now we need to make this shell script as an executable file. We need to change the mode of this file and make it executable. In order to change the mode of a file, you can use change mode command, which is chmod, change mode. And in which mode I want to change? I want to change this to executable mode. So I'll add executable access and then my file name. So this is the command which will change the mode of this file to executable. Now this file is executable and the file is there, installer is there. I just need to execute this installer. So in order to execute this installer, I just need to write / Anaconda and the complete file name. Just a quick tip, you can write the half of the name of the file and just press the tab. It will auto complete the file name. So I will press the enter to execute the installer. It will give this prompt. It says press enter to continue. So you just press and hold the enter and it will show you all the license, and at the end of license it will ask you to press yes or no. So it says, do you agree or do you accept the license? Yes, I accept the license, so I'll enter yes. And the next step which it will ask is where you want to install your Anaconda. So for all of the users who are installing this very first time, you can just press enter at this step because it is already taking home your username as the default path to install Anaconda. But since I already have Anaconda installed here, I would like to install it somewhere else. Or for the people who don't have a lot of space in their home directory, they can install it on any other drive. So for example, for anyone who is installing Anaconda very first time, just press enter at this step. Or for users like me who already have it installed, or the users who want to install it somewhere else, pass the path of the folder. So I want to install it on my MNT drive, and inside that I want to have Anaconda 3 folder for it. So I'll press enter and it will start unpacking the payload. It will start unzipping, extracting the files which is required to install the Anaconda. This usually takes around 3 minutes, 4 minutes depending on the speed of your virtual machine. So let's wait. Right now, once all the softwares are extracted and installed, it says, do you wish the installer to initialize Anaconda 3 by running Anaconda init? All you need to do is type yes here. So once you type yes, it will modify all the files which you have. So right now, Anaconda is installed in your system. How you can check the Anaconda is installed now? One way to do it is you just press Conda and you will see Conda command running here. So you will see all the Conda commands which are here: Conda clean, compare, config, create, upgrade, and all the commands which you can run after Conda. So you can write Conda info. So it will give you information about the Conda Anaconda which is installed, where it is installed, and all the files. So this is how you can install Anaconda on virtual machines where you don't have access to GPU. Sorry, not GPU, GUI. So this is all about this video. In the next video, we're going to discuss about environments, why basically we are trying to install Anaconda, why Anaconda is used to create different Python environments, what is the benefit of that. All of that stuff we're going to be discussing in the next class. Thank you for joining this video. Let's see you in the next video.